Right. So I've got the multimeter leads crimped down, and we can see more accurately what our output voltage is. So we're a little out of spec. The spec says that it should be 13.8, but as we can see here, turn that so it's easier to read. We're getting 14, 15. Let that settle down. .4, 14.5. So we're a little out of spec, but have to open up the power supply. There is an adjustment inside that should allow us to get that back into spec for where we expect it to be. All right, we've got the top off, and right down in there, I'm quite a ways up above the power supply, but you should be able to see that there's a little potentiometer. It's marked on the circuit board as VR1. I believe by adjusting that potentiometer, we should be able to get the voltage back into the range of where we expect it to be, down at 13.8. So I will see if we can make that adjustment. So looking there, I turn to the left. Oh, yep, there we're going, down 14. Oh, too far, overshot, 13.7. And just a little bit of adjustment. There's 13.8 roughly. There we go. Oh, back down a little. Just take the really touchy. All right, so we can get that into spec where we expect it to be at. I mean, it's also possible we could, take that potentiometer there, put a dial out here somewhere, and make this an adjustable power supply. Have to see what the rating is. That would give us a little bit more of a useful tool. Maybe that's something for a future project. But let's see how low can we bring the voltage to. It would be nice if we had a 12 volt power supply. Can we bring it down all the way to 12? 12.5, 12.3. Oh, there we go. So we can adjust this down to 12. So that will be very useful for this power supply as well. Most projects, a lot of them, we need them at around 12 or 5 or 3. I don't know how low we can go. It looks like 11.7 volts is the lowest we can go. What's the other range? So let's crank it. So we can go from 11.7 to 16.5. So that's nice. I think I'm going to adjust this for now. Try and hit that sweet spot of 12. There we go. So we've fixed the power supply, and we've now got a voltage that's more useful for us at the moment. And we have plans of how to convert this power supply from a dedicated single voltage to something more adjustable. Give us a little bit of a range to work with. I mean, tiny range. All right. And remember to ask questions and try things. Have a good one, everybody.